Hello everyone. Today teacher want to tell you how you determine the interior angle and the exterior angle of a quadrilateral. So we look at this quadrilateral. You know that the interior angle A, B, C, D will become 360. C and E is equal to 180. The sum of an interior angle and its adjacent exterior angle is 180. The opposite angle in a parallelogram or rhombus are equal. This one is a parallelogram. P opposite angle R are equal. S with the Q are equal. So let's go to the example 5. In each of the following diagram, PSD is a straight line. Calculate the value of x and y. Calculate the value of x and y. From this diagram, you are given three values, 145, 52, and 100. So from here, you can find x first. You can find x. Sum of the interior angle of its adjacent exterior angle is 180. So you can write the equation. To find x, you need to use 180 minus 100. You get 80. After you get x equal to 80, so all the interior angle inside the quadrilateral is equal to 360. You write the equation y plus 80 plus 50 plus 145 equal to 360. Y plus 277 equal to 360. To find y, you minus. You get 83. Yeah? B. This is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, the opposite angles are same. So x equal to 42. X equal to 42. After you get x 42, x and y are together. They are the interior angle and adjacent exterior angle, which same with 180. So y plus 40 equal to 180. To find y, you minus 42. 180 minus 42, you get 138.